Hi guys, welcome back to Tri333. My name is Winston. For those who have just joined us, a warm welcome. Today I'm going to tell you why I kept this bike for 10 years. This is a 2008 R1200Gs single cam, which I got it when it was 2 years old. Right now, my mileage is at 112,000 kilometers. Why do I keep this bike for so long? The biggest reason is because this bike is not hot compared to other European models. I also like how the bike can start with one crank even if I didn't ride it for 2 months. I really love how the bike shakes sideways every time when I crank it up. In my opinion, this bike is a jack of all trades, master of none. I can use it daily and also for my road trip. The seat is very comfortable and the posture is super upright. The maintenance is very manageable. I do engine oil change every 10,000 kilometers together with my shaft and transmission oil. You don't even need a fully synthetic engine oil. It has never failed me in any of my road trips. The only time this bike has given me problem was the faulty signal light. Which, well, I thought it was an easy solution, just change the relay like other Japanese bike, right? But at the end, it was the electrical panel which cost me 1,000 Singapore dollars. Other than that, I replaced my wear and tear parts timely. So now let's talk about what I've done cosmetically. These are the items that I've added on to my bike. The lower and upper crash bar, the water bottle holder, the cheapest accessories on my bike, but it's very important, get yourself hydrated easily rather than in and out of the case. Then I have these two fog lights. This fog light lasted me quite a while. But this fog light is very bright, so it's given by my good friend, Willie Chai. Thanks bro, this really helps me. In the last two trips, right, I really had problem riding in the dark. So I can't really see well, getting old, night blindness really kicking in. So these sets of fog lights really help me in the dark. So next is the telelever protector. This protects this A-frame, which is I think is the very essential protector that you must have, because in Singapore, any damage to this A-frame will be under a total loss under insurance claim. Next is this fog guard. This fog guard is just purely for its looks only, just to make it look thicker. And then next is the beak. This beak is to enhance the look, to give the more GSA look. If not, it just feels very naked. And the headlight guard, the windshield. The original windshield is about this tall. So I mean, this is a 12 years old bike, so it gets moldy and yellowish. So I decided to change it, and it's much higher, about a palm size higher. So it gives me much wind protections. The signal lights I have replaced many times. These signal sights are from Taobao. So this costs about 5 to 8 Singapore dollars. So I would rather spend like 5 to 8 Singapore dollars on a set of signal lights that I need to change frequently than to get the original, which is about 35 Singapore dollars. The only difference between the Taobao signal light and the original is that this is a hard plastic. The original one is rubber, so it's flexible, but well, it still breaks down too often. So next is the handguard. It's a bugbuster handguard, and I have the handlebar bag. So like go custom, you put your temporarily you put your passport inside. Handphone mount, important, and my fog light switches are here. So these are the two switches. And behind that is the voltmeter and the USB charger. Okay, if you realize, in my handlebar, it's actually very clean. Something is missing, right? So the missing part is the IU unit. So because I'm intending to use this bike for road trips only, so therefore I want to keep the look of the handlebar clean. So I remove it, but the cables connectors are still here. So if I want to go for an inspection, I can always join back the connector here, no problem. The Touratech Ziga Pro Panniers looks fantastic on the bike. It's actually bigger than the original GSA Panniers, but this was actually bought last year. So I had a good friend, Derek, So he found this lobang in carousel, then I replaced it. The cases that I used before this was the Vario cases. To my opinion, yes, these metal boxes looks good, but the Vario cases has better water protection. Why did I say that? I don't remember there's a time that the things inside my Vario cases got wet when I was riding in the rain. But this will have some water seepage, so just have to be careful with that. So if it gets really heavy rain, right, I just have to waterproof the items inside. But other than that, these are really solid. I can, when we go for like camping, or if you want to have a rest, just take out, and you can act this as a stool. And then the tires that I'm using right now are Metzeler Road Tech 01. Very, very good on very good in wet road conditions. What do you guys think my next bike should be? Let me know in the comments below. But I have 3 criteria. First, the bike must be super comfortable for long distance. Second, luggage options. And the most important, it must not be hot riding on long distance. See you on the road.